had an amazing day at AIBI, had lots of great conversations, evidently enough that I've not taken any photographs or videos. So here we are at the end of the day, and I just want to revisit what happens with motif fabrics when people get onto the course that allows people to create their own hand-woven fabrics, okay? So very quickly, what you get is a swatch pack full of samples that give you the different kinds of weights that are involved in fabric design with us. And then with that, you get the swatch of yarns that we use. Now, the great thing about using recycled yarns, zero waste yarns, is that there is no new dyeing involved in these yarns, which takes massive amounts of ecotoxicity out of the foundational process of making yarn. And it actually allows for designers to really use creativity in a very effective way when it comes to having a sustainable impact through your fashion creations. Because as a designer, you're a problem solver. You are one that can make something out of anything. Here's a couple of examples. Here we have fabrics that were designed by Chicago brand Jeune Haute, using 4 different colors to create their particular palette within their collection. And it's not that you have to do your whole collection in hand woven, but just choosing 1 or 2 garments to be made is enough. Here's another couple of fabrics that have been made using the recycled yarns. Absolutely gorgeous classic stripes there. So they don't have to be wild and fancy, they're just very beautifully usable. They were designed by Mrs. Emily. This is cottons that have been designed by a designer, Whitney, who's starting on her new range. And so we can work in all kinds of ways to be able to develop fabric together that is zero waste, that is zero toxicity, and actually is zero carbon, because it's all hand woven. So get in touch with me and let's see where we can go from here. Okay, see you soon.